When interviewers evaluate junior data analysts, they don't usually start with advanced SQL. They start with simple questions, not because they are easy, but because they reveal how a candidate thinks with data. In this video, we'll walk through 10 SQL questions interviewers commonly use and explain what they are actually looking for. We'll work with two realistic tables, employee data, where we have employee details like role, department, and manager, and another table, employee activity, where we have daily employee activity. One important thing to remember throughout this video is one employee can appear multiple times. Most interview mistakes starts when candidates forget that. Let's see our first question. Question number 1. List active employees. This is often the first question interviewers ask. They are not testing syntax. They are testing whether the candidate understands duplication. Let's write a query. Select EMP ID, EMP name from EMP activity where status equal to active. Group by EMP ID, EMP name. Let's run to see what we get here. Each row here represents one active employee. If grouping is kept, the employee appears multiple times and later metrics get inflated. Question number 2. Total tickets per employee. This checks basic aggregation discipline. Let's see. Select EMP ID, EMP name, sum of tickets resolved as total tickets from EMP activity group by EMP ID, EMP name. Let's run and see. The result now show one row per employee with tickets summed correctly across all days. Interviewers are looking for correctness here. Question number 3. Employee with 0 tickets. This question filters out memorized SQL. Let's see how. Select EMP ID, EMP name from EMP activity group by EMP ID, EMP name having some tickets resolved equal to 0. Let's see the result. These employees have never resolved any tickets. Using the wrong filter here silently produces incorrect results. Question number 4. Filter by month. Interviewers almost always include a date question. Poor date filtering causes silent reporting issues. Let's see how. Select employee ID, employee name, activity date from employee activity where activity date greater than or equal to 2025 03 01 and activity date less than 2025 0401. Let's run this query to see the result. This returns only March data, no overlaps, no partial months. This shows discipline, not cleverness. Question number 5. Average hours work. This question is about interpretation, not math. Let's write a query. Select employee ID, employee name, average hours work as average hours from EMP activity group by EMP ID, EMP name. Let's run the query. Each row has an employee's average hours per day. Strong candidates always clarify that this does not measure productivity. Question number 6. Employee and manager name. This checks whether candidates can read a data model. Select employee name, manager name from EMP data where role equal to IC. Let's run and see the query. This gives clean employee to manager mapping. If someone struggles here, hierarchy questions usually fail later. Question number 7. Count employees by department. This looks simple and that's exactly why it matters. Let's see. Select department, count EMP ID as employee count from EMP data, group by department. Let's run the query. This shows headcount by department without unnecessary complexity. Question number 8. Highest paid employee per department. This tests logical clarity, not syntax. Let's see how. Select department, EMP name, salary from EMP data where department comma salary in select department max salary from EMP data group by department. For each department, this correctly identifies the highest paid employee. Interviewers care more about the explanation than the exact SQL style. Question number 9. Join activity with employee data. This is where many junior candidates struggles. Let's write a query. Select d.emp name, some e.tickets result as total tickets from EMP activity as A, join EMP data as D on E.emp ID equal to D.emp ID group by D.emp name, group by D.emp name. Let's see the result. Each row now represents one employee with tickets aggregated safely after the join. If join behavior is not considered here, numbers quietly get inflated. Question number 10. Active high performers. This checks ordering. This checks ordering of logic. Let's see. Select EMP ID, EMP name from EMP activity where status equal to active, group by EMP ID, EMP name, having some tickets resolved greater than at least 50. Let's run the query. These employees are active and have crossed the performance threshold. This confirms filtering happened at the correct stage. Final note, most candidates don't fail interviews because they don't know SQL. They fail because they don't slow down and think carefully about the data. If this video helped you think differently about analytics, you can like the video to help others find it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.